Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of LAHY482. This is a 2010 Hyundai Genesis powered by the 3.8 liter V6. Decent looking car overall. Took a hit in the rear. In a previous life it took a hit in the front. Here's Mason over here, I don't even know what he's doing. We're gonna pretend I didn't see that. A lot of good parts on this car here. We're gonna go ahead and step inside and fire it up so I can take the jump box off of it and put the hood down, check that out. Ooh, another custom stereo install. Man. With a stock head unit. I don't even know what that was. Maybe that was a spoiler. Oh man, somebody was a Black Ice fan. Hey Andy. Yeah. I do need the keys to do a test video.
Open your eyes.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Wasn't that
hold on, guys.
fine?
Show us where they were. Yeah.
It was right here on the floor.
Just look on the floor.
In the vehicle.
Yeah, okay, all right.
Oh.
133,516 miles on this. Fired right up, as you guys saw, with the help of our jump box here, R2D2. Hey, she's even charging. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a custom stereo install with an unbranded battery. Oh, we're stuck. We're stuck. There we go. Always an adventure for the J&J Auto Wrecking. This kind of mono hood shock here is interesting. This is Hyundai's cheapness at its finest. Hood is in good condition though. Custom hologram effect. This guy clearly didn't know how to detail a car. Some people like that. Interior is in great shape though. Leather seats with the bags. We're going to be selling those as a set of 4, front and rear. What is this? Is this a bass knob or something? There was we had a subwoofer in the back. Wow. What are we doing here, guys? All right, let's start testing things out here. Oh, can't do that. That is copyrighted music. Looks like the display screen for the radio is no good, but that is working. Or sorry, the radio itself was working. Let's test out the transmission. Reverse. Drive. Something was pinched up there. Test out the power window regulators. All right, yeah, not a whole lot to say about a Hyundai here. One last thing to do though, I noticed she had bologna skins in the back. Let's see if we can fry them. Mason here is gonna come grab the camera while I smoke out the shop.
Traction control.
Oh, I got traction control on, launch control. Oh, wait a minute, this is a Hyundai. I don't have any of that. Better than the turbocharged one, guys. If this was a 4-cylinder, she would have not done that. Nice little burnout though. If you guys are looking for parts off this car, I'm going to leave a link on our website below, www.jnjautoracking.com, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. Almost tripped. That would have made for great content. Coming up next though, we have a beautiful Jaguar here. This purple color. I got to talk to the guy that buys the cars because I want to keep all of them. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.